Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have spent your great time with your loved one. Hello guys, konnichiwa. Welcome to Unboxing Japan with Ren. Again, I have to say Happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you have spent your time with your great one, even with your lover or with your family or with your friends. I'm pretty sure that you have spent a great time with them, right? Some of you might not know about Valentine in Japan, but basically in Valentine's Day, it's actually most of the girls will give the chocolate to the guys. But in March 14, which is actually we call it White Day in Japan, it's actually the opposite. So basically on White Day, the guys will be giving the chocolate to the girls instead. Anyway, we will all make chocolate, so that's why I have come today with this lovely classy box again. For today we have this Chocolatier box set. Well, even though the difficulty set is 5-star, but I think we can, hopefully we can make it pretty fine. And also they have almost everything that you will need in this box, but yeah, just some maybe like water and like some scissors that you will have to prepare, but the rest are pretty fine. And I myself am pretty excited with this box as well, so let's not waste our time and let's get started making chocolate together. Also, we have more products to unbox coming up. We upload new videos, TikTok and shorts weekly as well, so make sure to check it out. Your like and subscribe would be very appreciated. So yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Alright, so it's actually take me around 1 hour to finish all of this, and I think I could do a little bit better, but yeah, overall I will give myself like around 8 out of 10 for making this chocolate. So don't forget to share this one with your loved one, with your family, or with your friends as well. Until the next video, stay healthy and see you then. Happy Valentine's. Mata ne. Bye bye.